Howdy, this is Mitchell and welcome to another video in the RSP Education series. Today we're going to talk about the fascinating world of industrial IoT, or as the cool kids call it, IIoT. Now you might already know about IoT, the Internet of Things. It's the magical web connecting our fridges, thermostats, and even doorbells. But industrial IoT, that's where things get real serious and seriously cool. As always, remember, these videos are for educational purposes only. Always consult a qualified professional for guidance on your specific application. RSP Supply is not liable for misuse of the information provided. With that said, let's get right into it. So, what is industrial IoT? Think of it like IoT's tougher, more hard-working sibling. It's all about connecting industrial machines, things like factory robots, conveyor belts, and even oil rigs to the internet. These machines aren't just talking to each other, they're sharing data, making decisions, and sometimes saving the day. So we're going to break it down. What makes industrial IoT tick? Well, first, you've got connectivity. Everything is connected to a network. Kind of like how your phone connects to Wi-Fi, only instead of DMing memes, these machines are sending valuable data like, hey, I'm running a little hot over here. Next, you've got sensors. These are the eyes and ears of IoT. Sensors gather data like temperature, vibration, energy use, you name it. Basically, if a machine can feel it, yes, they have feelings too, there's a sensor for it. And then comes data processing. This is where the magic happens. The system takes all that sensor data and analyzes it faster than you can say factory meltdown. The result? Smarter decisions, like adjusting a machine's speed or predicting when maintenance is needed. Oh, and automation. Let's not forget that. Industrial IoT automates tasks so you can focus on what really matters, like grabbing a coffee without worrying about whether the conveyor belt is behaving. Why does industrial IoT matter? That's where it gets exciting. It's not just about shiny machines talking to each other. It's about solving real-world problems. For example, predictive maintenance. That really resonates with our maintenance supervisors and plant operators. Machines can predict when they're about to fail and send out a "fix me before it's too late" alert. It's like a crystal ball for equipment. This doesn't just save money, it saves headaches. I mean, imagine a robot arm breaking down mid-shift. It's the industrial equivalent of your phone dying at 1% during a call. Not fun, right? And it's just not maintenance. IoT also helps improve efficiency too. Machines can tweak their own performance to use less energy or adjust production schedules based on real-time data. It's like they've got their own brains, but thankfully, no egos. I wouldn't know what that means. Anyways, where's industrial IoT making waves? Now, you're probably wondering, where does all this magic happen? The answer, just about everywhere. Here are a few highlights. Factories. You got real-time monitoring of production lines to avoid any kind of downtime. Energy, utilities, smart grids, systems to optimize power usage. Oil and gas, the industry of industries. Detecting pipeline leaks before they become disasters. Warehouses, that's where we get all our Amazon from, right? Tracking inventory so no one's yelling, "Where are the widgets?" Basically, if there's a machine, industrial IoT can make it smarter. So what are the risks? Now let's talk about the elephant in the factory, security. When everything's connected, the risk of cyber attacks goes up. If industrial IoT systems aren't secure, hackers could shut down machines or mess with operations. Imagine someone hijacking your assembly line to build rubber chickens instead of car parts. That's a best case scenario. That's why cybersecurity is such a huge deal in industrial IoT. It's like putting locks on all the virtual doors in your industrial network. So the takeaway, at its core, industrial IoT is about making industries smarter, faster, and safer. It's also transforming everything from how factories run to how power grids are managed. And while there are challenges like security, it's clear that industrial IoT is shaping the future and its pros far outweigh its cons. So the next time you see a machine in action, remember, it might be part of something bigger, something smarter, and probably something that's saving the boss a lot of money. For a full line of industrial IoT hardware and thousands of industrial products, please go like our website. And if you like this content and want more educational videos, please like and subscribe. Also, for more information and other educational videos, please go to rspsupply.com, the internet's top source for industrial hardware, as we all know. Subscribe, hit that notification bell. We've got more on industrial automation coming your way, so stay tuned. See you next time.